Hey folks, I'm William Frew, your video plumber. I'm here to bring you some more tips. Today I want to talk about a backed up sink. So one of the first things that you want to do is we want to know where that backup is at. So what I would like you to do is you turn the water on and you start counting. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000. And if you start getting up there in numbers, you know that blockage is farther back. So you're going to want to call a plumber. But if it's right away, 1 1000, 2 1000, and the backup starts to happen, you know the backup is really close. The most common place where the backup happens is right here at the drain. One of my favorite tools that I'd like to recommend to my clients is one of these little zippy things. Just kind of stick it in there. So we're going to pull that out. We're going to see how much hair is in there. You might want to run some water. Might get kind of a little dirty, but it's going to save you a ton of money. One of these little zippy things would probably cost you $2.50 to $5. Just pick it up at your local hardware store and it's going to save you a ton of money. And that's your tip for today. Wishing you many days of sunshine.